This car is the first video I posted with car content. It's a blessing, dog. I'm telling you, it's a blessing. It's, for me, I think it was meant to be. So we did all this, you know what I'm saying? So even the turn signal lenses, we did all that, you know what I'm saying? This car didn't have all that. We even put a new mirror on here because the car didn't have a mirror. Fully rebuilt this car, man. Fully.
Now I'm doing shit you can be proud of. My shit used to be empty, now half of my closet proud of. I fell, but a nigga got up. This and this shit get shot up. Punching my pockets not up. Rapping on finally making it rain while I was locked up. So my niggas just hold on, never worry, dog. I got us. Why? Cause it's up.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video, and I just want to say happy creation year to my box Chevy. You know what I'm saying? This year, 40 years ago, this box Chevy specifically was created, you know what I'm saying? So it's 2024. This box Chevy is a 1984. So I just wanted to make this cool little video, you know what I'm saying? Giving thanks and saying happy creation year to my box Chevy, you know what I'm saying? This car was created 40 years ago this year. I don't know what month or date. I would have to look into all that, you know what I'm saying? Look up the VIN and all that stuff, see what date and everything was really created. But for now, we're just gonna say creation year, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all get in the comments and say happy creation year to the box Chevy. Let the box Chevy feel some love, you know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. You feel me? We're just gonna do a quick little walk around the car. Nothing too crazy. Just, you feel me? I just wanted to come on here and make this video saying happy creation year to my box Chevy. 40 years old, and I'm rebuilding it to be a newer car, you know what I'm saying? For me to be able to just get in it, drive it, and go whenever I want to. You feel me? So yeah, man, I'm happy, I'm excited, I'm blessed that I have this car. If y'all didn't know, this is my dream old school car, a box Chevy. Not this specific year, just box Chevys in general. I love the box Chevys, you feel me? And I was blessed to get one 2 years ago. Yeah, about 2 years now I had this car. And I didn't really start building this car until I decided to go all in with YouTube and car content, you know what I'm saying? I was doing little stuff here and there, you feel me? Trying to get it running, but nothing like customization wise, like putting new body panels on here, new fenders, new extensions, the emblems, interior pieces, like, you feel me? I wasn't doing all that crazy stuff until I decided to go all in on YouTube. That's when I decided to go ahead and spend more money, you feel me, than I really wanted to. So like I said, man, I was doing little stuff here and there. I was trying to get the car running, which is one of the main things. The car wasn't running when I bought this car, so I had to get a new carb put on it, and that was really it. And we had to change the gas out, so we had to run all that, get all that gas from out of that old tank, and you feel me, try to get some new gas in here to get the car running. So that was one of the main things. When I first got this car, I was only focused on getting it running. You feel me? I wasn't worried about everything else. I just wanted to get it and drive it. You feel me? I was just happy to have a box Chevy. Then I just started real bad. But then I went ahead and decided, you know what? I love cars. Why not record my car content, or record some car content? You feel me? Basketball wasn't working, so why not just go ahead and go all in on the car stuff? You feel me? I got 2 cars. This was before I went ahead and took over the Cutlass, you know what I'm saying? Or actually just went ahead and took the Cutlass, you know what I'm saying? So I had 2 cars, and I was like, why not? I'm doing stuff to these cars, why not just record it, you feel me, and then drop it and see how it do. And it started doing good, but now it's like up and down. Some videos do really good, some videos don't, you feel me? But doing this car stuff, it got me monetized on YouTube. Even though I don't make nothing, it got me monetized. So it's a blessing, you feel me? And this car is what started my car YouTubing journey, you know what I'm saying? This car, this box Chevy that we are in right now, because y'all in here with me too, as y'all can tell, you feel me? This is what started my YouTubing journey with cars, you know what I'm saying? This car. And if y'all don't know, like I told y'all, this is my dream car, a box Chevy. It's my dream old school car. So this car started my journey. If y'all go to playlist on my channel, click on my channel, go to playlist, and then click car content. You scroll all the way up. This car is the first video I posted with car content. It's a blessing, dog. I'm telling you, it's a blessing. It's, for me, I think it was meant to be. So yeah, like I said, this car is what started my journey doing this, and then we moved on from this car. Well, really, this car is what, you feel me, a whole lot of them first videos, probably all of them first videos was only this car, you know what I'm saying? And if y'all go back and watch, y'all see how more open I am now than I was then, you know what I'm saying? I was a little bit shy, a little bit kind of scared to record, you know what I'm saying? But now I'm like out of the shell, you feel me? I'm more comfortable, I could say, you feel me? So yeah, man, like I said, this car is what started my entire journey with doing this car stuff. And yeah, we're just gonna keep seeing how far it's gonna take us. So like I said, happy creation year to the box Chevy. I want to give thanks, I want to give praise, everything, you feel me? Because this car is what started me, you feel me, on YouTube and my journey with car stuff, you feel me? My basketball stuff wasn't working, so I decided to go ahead and change it up and do this car stuff. And now look at us, you feel me? When I was doing the basketball stuff, I was at like 800 subscribers, and that was only because that wasn't even really from the videos, you know what I'm saying? But when I got into this car stuff, I gained over 2,000 subscribers, which might not seem like a lot to some people, but you feel me, for me, that's a lot. And I just want to keep growing and keep elevating. So like I said, we're gonna do a little walk around of the box Chevy and then give praise, give thanks to this car for being created 40 years ago, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoy this video, hope y'all enjoy this vlog. We ain't gonna be working on the car. As y'all can see, I got the wheels out because we will be installing the wheels. I'm sorry for prolonging that as well. I'm sorry for keep pushing that out, but I just wanted to make sure the weather was gonna be really warm before I go ahead and decided to throw the wheels on. Because like I said, man, the weather's been up and down. It's been kind of crazy. It's been warm, then cold, then 60s, then back up to 70s, and this weekend is supposed to be in the 80s. So yeah, it's time for me to go ahead and quit prolonging it and just go ahead and install them wheels, and let's ride on them for the summer. So make sure y'all hit that like button though, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all the way, y'all be notified every time I drop, and share the channel so we can keep growing and elevating. Hit that share button and share it to as many people as possible. So catch y'all once I get outside of the car in 1 second. All right, y'all, so outside of the car now, here you go. If y'all are new to the channel, this is my 84 box Chevy, and like I said, we celebrating 40 years on this car now. 40 years, so another decade hit, and it ain't really much left we need to do to this car. You know, we're gonna be putting the wheels on and saving the rally wheels for the Cutlass. We got every body panel, we're not missing no body panels. Y'all can see it's black because, you feel me, it's new. So this may not be 40 years, but the body of this car is. So new body panels, new tail light lenses, new emblem. This ain't new, this is off another car, but I couldn't find this new. So but new body panel. Yeah, man, the body of my box Chevy is 40 years old. So like I said, celebrating 40 years on this car. Quick little walk around, different body panel, different fender, I mean. But this, brand new. I need to fix that to where it ain't leaning in like that, which I will get. Corner lights, I don't know, I forgot what year that came off, and I don't know what year this fender came off. But yeah, this is the original piece from these, so that's original from the car. New headlight housings, new, I'm losing my train of thought, I don't know why, but new turn signal housing or running light housing, whichever it is. Don't know what year. I know this is from 80 to 85 though, so yeah, that's used because I couldn't find no new ones. They all on back order, and I didn't feel like waiting when I had got this, so I just went ahead and got it and put it on, you feel me? And once they get off back order, then I will get another one, and it'll be matching like my headlight housing. And once we get the wheels on this car, we're gonna be washing the car again, so y'all don't have to worry about the car being dirty. But yeah, like I said, man, once we get the wheels on the car, we're gonna be washing the car and the wheels, you know what I'm saying? So the car be a little bit cleaner. Plus, y'all see how low it is a little bit now. When we put them wheels on, it's gonna be about up here. Maybe just down a little bit. You feel me? It's down here right now. It's gonna go about up here. I'm excited, man. I'm ready to put the wheels on the car. And y'all see I got little books in the window right now, cause that's one of the sites I've been getting a lot of my parts from for this car, for my Cutlass. You feel me? So yeah, man, I'm excited, man. Like I said, ain't really much left I need to do to this car. I'm gonna be ordering the dash at the end of this month, so y'all stay tuned for that. We're gonna be getting a new one, new dash at the end of this month. And other than that, man, like I said, ain't really much I need to do besides this door panel, which I haven't really figured out. I need to go by AutoZone because I need to see if they got some dye or something I could use, you feel me, to get that door panel to be somewhat closer to the rest of them. But the interior I ain't worried about. It's the exterior, so the car will be getting painted. And y'all already know, like I said, I want to do a sky blue on this car. Sky blue with a gold pearl, which I can order everything online. So like I said, happy 40 years to the box Chevy. We done literally rebuilt this car fully. And if y'all look at my hood gap, I mean, it ain't terrible. This needs to be bent, as y'all can see. So this still needs to be bent out. But it's a small, very small little gap. If y'all remember the last video, no, it ain't the last video, but the video we had recorded on this, it was up a lot more, and I adjusted it to where it's looking a lot better. But like I said, man, happy 40 years to the box Chevy. Happy 40 years to the box Chevy. Another decade, and I'm hoping to keep it alive for many more decades, you know what I'm saying? Even if that means replacing the motor, you feel me? That's what we will do, which I eventually plan on doing anyways. It's just I ain't got like 10,000 to throw into a motor right now and motor swap it. New computer, new ECU, you know what I'm saying? Wiring, yeah. I want to motor swap it myself just so I could teach myself how to do it, which I know it ain't too hard. It ain't hard at all really to pull the motor out. It's gonna be, you feel me? Cause I'm gonna have to take off them motor mounts and take off the transmission mount, pull the drive shaft, yank the motor out, you know what I'm saying? Pull the wiring out too. And then I want to drop a LS in here. I don't know, I want to do a 6.0, but I can't find those 6.0s. Maybe I'll go to a junkyard, see if I can find a little truck one, even though I know truck LSs are heavier. I don't know, I'm gonna figure something out though. But like I said, 40 years to the box Chevy, it's gonna go for 40 more, 40 plus more, you know what I'm saying? While this car is in my hands, it's well taken care of. Well taken care of. Rebuilt, new fenders. I even added corner lights, them not factory, you know what I'm saying? Not on this one. You can find one with corner lights, but not this one, you feel me? This one was customized with corner lights. That fender came with one. This one we made it ourselves, you know what I'm saying? And it looked perfect. Perfect. No gap, nothing. Perfect, you feel me? We did that. We added the extensions to the fender, new headlight housing, found a grill to put on here, new emblems. We did all this, you know what I'm saying? So even the turn signal lenses, we did all that, you know what I'm saying? This car didn't have all that. We even put a new mirror on here because the car didn't have a mirror. Fully rebuilt this car, man, fully. So like I said, 40 years to this car, 40 more to come, 40 more to go. So yeah, man, 40 years to this car, 40 more to go. But catch y'all in a second for the outro, because there's a few more videos I need to record before I gotta go somewhere. So yeah, catch y'all in a second for the outro. Alright guys, so it's a lot of stuff I gotta record, so I hope y'all stay tuned for everything I'm finna be recording, you feel me? The next video is something I've been waiting on for a while, and it ain't for this car, it ain't for the box Chevy, it ain't for my Charger, So it's only one other car y'all know to be for, so y'all just gotta stay tuned for that next video. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, just get in the comments and wish the box Chevy a happy 40 years, you know what I'm saying? And let's pray to get 40 more, you feel me? So I hope y'all enjoyed. Like I said, man, it's gonna be the end of this one. Trying to think. I gotta record 3 more videos. It's already 12 o'clock and I'm supposed to be going somewhere, you know what I'm saying? That way I don't be out too late. So, and then tomorrow, man, we finally gonna be throwing the wheels on the car. So I'm sorry for, like I said, I'm sorry for keep pushing it out on y'all, but it's just the weather been going crazy, you feel me? It's been hot, then drop back down to low 50s, you feel me? And so I just wanted to make sure the weather was good before I just go ahead and throw the wheels on here. Plus I need to go and get, I'm finna get ready to order me a 360 cam too, so that's gonna be another $400 being spent, you know what I'm saying? But that's something I want to go ahead and get, you feel me, so I can record better driving footage with these cars. That GoPro is just not it, for real. It's not it. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and order that the end of the month as well. So I gotta get this dash for in here, and I'm gonna try and get that 360 cam. So yeah, man, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed though. It's gonna be the end of this one, man. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, share the channel, click that share button, share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing, let's keep elevating together, you know what I'm saying? And make sure y'all put in the comments happy 40th celebration year to the box Chevy, to my box Chevy, this one, you know what I'm saying? Not everybody's just turning 40 this year. Some people might have 84s. If they do, it's turning 40 this year, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one, man. God bless, keep God first. I love y'all and I appreciate y'all, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.